Placid Lakes. 3-bedroom/2-bath/2-car garage home, which thanks to Hurricane Irma, has a new roof. Home boasts over 1,900 square feet of living space. Open split floor plan with cathedral ceilings in living dining room. Huge kitchen with new stainless range, microwave hood and dishwasher along with acres of counter space and cabinets galore. Separate 12 by 24 family room. Located across the street from the Placid Lakes Golf Course and just down the street from the Placid Lakes Country Club. Additionally, a $25 annual fee gives access to Tobler Park and boat ramps onto Lake June. Call for your appointment. This is a Fannie Mae Homepath property.